Well, it's 9:30 in the morning and it is still kind of cool outside. It's registering about 46 degrees this morning. After a night full of rain, everything's wet. That's where all the bulbs are. Everything's all wet. Well, okay. Everything's all wet. That's the okra bed. I had to end up putting the okra back down into the ground. Okay, plastic's all off. That's the okra. I'm worried about one over here on the right looking pretty sad. But hopefully it's just because it was covered up for the night. Sunshine will be coming across the trees in a minute and hopefully everything will sprout up quick and be happy. And then there's the little mini seed house for my mom, making her a garden. And then in that dirt right there that I keep covered up are a bunch of little seed sprouted peppers. There is some squash sprouts that I have split up because we're sharing. Those are for some friends, and they've survived all the rain in this deep pot. Kept them protected. Now I have to check on the other ones I had to plant because they were getting too big. And my coffee, my yummy coffee, that's probably perfect enough to drink right now. Beautiful. Perfect. Okay, these are the squash I had to plant the other day. There's 4 of them, and they don't seem to be bothered by the coolness and the wetness. They're happy. I've planted them in planting bags inside of the dirt with good dirt inside the bag so that I don't have to amend the whole area. I'm going to plant a bunch of different melons and squash and maybe some beans and tomatoes in this area. But this will be a good area, and this here shows me that it's working well. I'm glad to see they're doing good. And let's not forget Mario. Hi, Mario. What are you doing? Are you mad because it's wet all over? Mario. I know, it's wet. Let's go inside.